Beloved South Africans, in South Africa, there are over 250,000 bogus NGOs, NPOs. To name a few: SERI, Helen Suzman Foundation, Gift of the Givers, etc. They are propaganda machines, looting mechanism, masquerading as human rights and social justice agencies. They serve no real purpose in our communities. Advocate for illegal immigrants and struggle with the compliance with legal and regulatory frameworks. They embezzle and misappropriate funds to selfish ambitions, undermining credibility. Take, for instance, Gift of the Givers, which is heavily funded by the South African government to fund Islamic terrorism and extremism. Their aim is to override and undermine the South African law and turn South Africa into a slavish Sharia law state. The reason why Muslims from all over the world migrate to South Africa is because they are on a conquest to turn our country into an Islamic state. When they reach a certain majority, they will demand the government to recognize their Sharia law and override the South African law. NGOs are funded by foreign lobbyist groups, organized crime cartels, and Islamic terrorist groups who seek to fully own South African resources and the people of South Africa. In a clear context, NGOs are agents of modern-day slavery. Non-reputable NGOs and NPOs are not only useless, but dangerous. They threaten the sovereignty of our country and the human dignity of our people. When NGO loses credibility, they stop defending the poor and start serving the elites and lobbyist business. And that betrayal is very bad undertaking. They distort the truth, manipulate perception, avoid accountability, manufacture false consensus, divert funds to hidden propagandas and selfish agendas, and project a polished image of championing human rights when they actually don't. NGOs represent the globalization and displacement of the South African indigenous people, advocating for the rights of illegal immigrants in a foreign land over locals. For this reason, all NGOs, NPOs are banned from operating in South Africa to protect the safety and sovereignty of our people. All their licenses and registration certificates will be revoked and their operations suspended with immediate effect. The newly formed South African Civil Rights Commission will take over to provide substantially equivalent protection in the areas of SA human rights, humanitarian aid to South African citizens who are poor, marginalized, and displaced by unforeseen circumstances like natural disasters, with offices accessible in all South African towns, regions, townships, villages in all 9 provinces. Thousands of South African people will be employed as Civil Rights Commission officials who will serve communities in need of aid and relief. They will fill service gaps, empower marginalized groups, drive transformation, and bring back human dignity to the vulnerable people of South Africa, often by providing direct aid, training of South African people, and infrastructure, while acting as a vital link between the communities and larger government systems for sustainable, inclusive growth. The SA Civil Rights Commission will foster local ownership, build citizen activism capacity, and offer specialized pragmatic solutions to complex social, economic, and environmental challenges, making South African communities more resilient and sustainable. From today, Sunday, the 4th January 2026, all foreign-sponsored NGOs, NPOs are banned from operating in South Africa, and the service they provide will be carried out by the South African Civil Rights Commission. The people of South Africa, their needs, dignity, rights, identity, liberty, and their heritage always comes first. This is the motto of the new reformed government of South Africa under President Mandisa Mthembu. God Almighty Jehovah has given us free will and rights to exist in our own sovereignty, independence, and dignity. Let no man take that away from us. Thank you.